Hey, welcome back to West Coast Freight Shakers and 4G Farms. Wasn't that something? I tell you what, that night glow, that was spectacular. Being our first year there, I highly recommend it for everyone. I can't believe it's taken us this long to get down there and go to Brooks. That was a very, very well put together show. So anyways, on this episode, we are going to continue on with the rest of Brooks. It's going to be kind of a longer video. It's all daytime driving around, and we did it to where you get to see the whole thing. It's not going to be just here's a truck, there's a truck. We're just driving around in the golf cart, having fun, stopping off, looking at trucks, and you get to see what Brooks is also. So, and then also while we're there is a Facebook page called Save the Cabovers. Scott owns it. He was there with all the mercantile that you could want. We had the t-shirts, we had stickers, and we had keychains. And Miss Freight Shaker had to stop there and, get some t-shirts, bunch of stickers, and some keychains. So we'll go ahead and we'll see that also in the video. So we'll take a look at that. And if you have Facebook, which most people do nowadays, I highly recommend hopping on there. It's called Save the Cabovers, STC, and it is a great site if you're a cabover lover, whether it's in the weeds, it's on the road, you're repairing it. Great place to look at trucks, cabover trucks of all kinds, and just really enjoy. So on that note of cabovers, a good friend of mine was able to score a left and right bottom panel, brand new, for my Freightliner, old green. So let's go ahead. We're going to take a walk over here, flip you around, and look at these beauties. Look at that. That right there, my friends, is the driver's side. Oh, yeah. And over here, passenger side, brand new. Look at those. Oh, those are going to be beautiful on Little Miss Green. We've got the, I do have some other panels that I took and went to the junkyard and peeled off. And I was thinking I was going to use those, and Dean came up with these and asked if I wanted them. Like, didn't even have to get yes out of my mouth. He already knew. So anyways, let's get on with the video. It is going to be phenomenal. And coming up, we'll have a lot more stuff. So stay tuned. Enjoy the show. All right, folks, we're at the Save the Cabovers.
That's right, get it done.
All right, let's take a look at the shirts.
Looks pretty good on this.
How we doing today?
We're doing good. Just doing a little filming.
Yeah.
For the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So.
What's the name of the channel so I can find it?
West Coast Freight Shakers.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. $8. And then the small one for $6.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Give me your Cheerios. Definitely have to fix the seat.
Let's see. Oh. here. Nope.
You can swing over to Dave's.
Yep, well, we'll get there.
I just wanted to make sure we covered over.
Sure?
Yeah.
I can't. Cut her down.
That's quite a few. You have a single. Looks like that. Well, a lot of the people left and it used to be a lot of so they people were just out.
Get out of here now.
Should I turn this off now?
Until we get on the corner and we turn back on here. I'm waiting to see it. Good space.
You guys have me fun.
I see what you mean about running pictures.
Mm-hmm. Oh. So much stuff to see. You'll need to hunt him down and see if he wants to buy that sleeper then.
I was thinking the same thing. So I was looking at that going, I know that paint job. Because of the little cheesy pinstriping thing under the door handle.
Okay.
It's got the same exact one on the sleeper.
Okay, I see it.
So I looked at it and went, no way.
Yeah, it looks like a few more rolled in sometime this morning or late last night. So.
Oh yeah. So do you have a pull trailer yet?
Oh, I do.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. No, I am. There we go.
He was on the probably one.
No, he's Instagram.
Oh, was he Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh.
The guy with the other blue and white truck, Gavel over there, he was one of them too.
Oh, okay, I got you. I got you. That's pretty cool. golf cart that looks like a little wagon.
Oh, look at that green truck. That's a pretty cute looking ride.
Who's that? Who's that? Okay.
Your chain truck in there too, so.
Here we go. That's what we need right there.
Oh, babe. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a line. She rode yesterday.
Oh, that one guy's gone.
Oh, the low one.
Yeah, they're going to park somewhere. We can't park here.
Let's park over here.
Park over there.
Look where that shade spot is. Hey, welcome back. What'd you think? Pretty great show, wasn't it? I highly recommend. I know I said it in the beginning of this video, but if you got a chance, you got to do it next year. It's going to be a blast again. We'll be there, and looking forward to meeting and talking to a lot of new folks. We made a lot of good friends on this last one. So people that we got to see at the last ATHS show down in Walla Walla, good friends down there now. So anyways, it is a spectacular place to meet people, look at trucks, enjoy yourself. And it's something the whole family can do. One of the videos I'll be coming out with is riding the trolley and the miniature trains. That, I tell you what, that was a blast. I didn't see myself doing the trolley. I did the miniature trains. I was like, yeah, I don't know, but it was great. So anyways, I really appreciate everyone watching and subscribing, and please subscribe and like to the video because I'm trying to help everything grow on my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.